Three, two, one.
What's happening, YouTube? So I am in town with the MCD. I'm at a lovely big track here in Victoria Park, and there's some awesome asphalt to go on. As you guys can see, I'm finished with the car. It came out fantastically. I can't believe how stoked I am with this. Painting bodies is not my favorite thing in the world, but we did manage to get it all painted up in the end. And yeah, so there's a little bit of action with it. This thing goes like the clappers. Woohoo! And hear that 2-speed. Terribly sorry I can't take your call right now. I am busy test driving the new Ultimate MCD, and I'm far too busy to take unimportant calls from people that are less important than brapping. Catch you later. Bye. Oh, that was a lucky catch. One wheel nuts. So after after my little run, I've had a few issues. I reckon I've got a leak on the carb, which I need to sort out, and the push-pull steering servo, the one arm came off. But here's just a quick taste of my new MCD XR5 Ultimate. I hope you guys enjoyed the little vid. We'll catch you really soon. Cheers.